A relatively easy way to make our local storage solution from yesterday more scalable and easier to use is to put all of our local storage syncing logic into our Mobex store, or into our data store in general. A good way to do that is using a concept called middleware. You can think of middleware as a series of functions that runs in the middle of your actions. Let me show you. A middleware is a function that runs here, and whenever we call an action, it updates our storage engine. It updates our storage engine in the middle of every action. And whenever we're reloading the page, it reads from storage and puts it into our local state. At least that's the basic idea. Let's look at what this ends up being like in code. A lot of the state management libraries we tried have built-in middleware support, which means there isn't much to do for us to store everything to local storage and read it from local storage when our app loads. But we started this example with Mobex. First thing we have to do is move our component did mount from the Mobex app into the Mobex stores constructor. A class constructor runs every time that our class is instantiated. When we start a new Mobex store, we're going to read state from local storage. Next, we have to make sure that this component did mount function runs every time our state changes. Mobex comes with a built-in auto run function which runs every time that state changes. So we can copy this entire function. Because autorun needs to be tied to a specific instance of our store, we're going to create a factory, let's say autosave, a method that takes an instance of a store and returns a Mobex autorun, which is a method that implements the same stuff we had before in our component did update. We have to import autorun from Mobex and say const store equals new store and autosave store. It runs, reads which video we're currently at. When you click next and reload, it works. In other libraries, you'd probably use the actual middleware stuff, but this is an easy, simple example.